Hey guys, this is Gary Lee Stanley, your sales guy. Hey, we're going to talk about my favorite subject today, which is sales. You got to forgive my voice a little bit, but I'm excited about our new topic today, which is really exciting. And the topic for today is customer service. Why is it so doggone important? You know, that's a really good question. If you've been in sales for any time length, and I have almost up to 40 years, I've seen so many different organizations in sales, and I've seen the best just lose everything. I've seen companies that were in business for over 100 years. I've seen companies that were in business for 50 years. I've seen companies that forgot about who their customer base was. They forgot about the back end of the business called customer service. If you want to have an outstanding company, an outstanding business, this is where you're going to have to start putting a lot of your capital in. And the reason being is because it's a gold mine. And seriously, I mean that. You are working with clients that you can do business with multiple times. But if your customer service is terrible, and I mean, I've seen some people who should be, I don't know, out of sales or out of customer service, but if you've got an attitude of gratitude and it comes across when you work with your clients, I guarantee that those customers are going to at least say something nice about you, maybe to one person. You screw up, bad customer service, they're going to tell everybody. Good customer service, regardless of how you feel, makes business money sense. It does, it really does. And if you're in sales, my goodness, referrals and getting opportunities after the sale is just tremendous when you do something good for the client. You just can't sell them something right now and then forget about them. That's just not good selling. Good selling gives the opportunity to build relationships. When you're in sales, if you build relationships, you have a foundation where you're able to help new people buy stuff continuously and work on your reserves. Those people you've dealt business with before. It just makes sense to use the benefits that you have in your play. It just makes sense. And you know, I'm Gary Lee Stanley. I'm a salesperson. I've been in sales for a long time, and I've seen a lot of different views. And I've seen people that I've worked with that were salespeople that were not very nice. They were kind of in it for themselves. And I have to say, in the past, when I was younger, first into sales, I was the same way. Now I've learned that if you take care of the customer on the front end, it always benefits you on the back end. Oh my gosh. That's just kind of easy to say. What you put in it is what you get out of it. You know, I love sales. It gives me an opportunity to work with different types of people. If you work in sales for any amount of time, you're going to find that it is an evolving business. And what I mean by that is it is always changing. Customers change, demographics change. People change. They change just like that. You might be hot today and you may not be tomorrow. But I guarantee you this, if you are a person who treats your customers with the respect that they deserve. Now, I'm not saying be beat up and be a doormat. What I am saying is give it your best shot. You got to have the right people in play. You've got to have people that talk to your customers over the phone to reassure them, to make them feel good about, hey, did I make a good decision on buying this? And if they did, and you made them feel comfortable in this regard, you have a continuation of a new relationship for a future customer buying again. A lot of times people just want the money now. That's just not going to work. If you're wanting to build a business and if you're wanting to help yourself in sales, your key to success, and this is so totally important, I'm going to harp on it, good customer service. It just makes sense. Listen, when you go somewhere, if you go to a restaurant and you get good service, doesn't it make you feel good inside? If you go somewhere and somebody treats you with some respect, doesn't it make you feel good inside? If you get on the phone, and most people, what they're afraid of is they've been treated so poorly with customer service for so long that they're used to being beat up over the phone. They're used to being said, no, I can't help you. It's somebody else. Somebody else has got to help you. They're so used to that. But see, here's the key. If you are a great salesperson, and I don't mean salesperson in the sense you're out selling, but you are selling yourself. If you're a good customer service agent, you're going to be able to rest assured that that client is giving you their undivided attention at that point. And if that's been so important for them to get in touch with you as a customer service agent, you damn sure better do your best to make sure they are so excited, they're so glad that they have talked to you today. Your goal is to make sure in customer service that everybody is heard, respected, treated the same. There is no difference. We see no color, we see no nothing. Everybody is considered a customer, a client. Good customer service looks past this, looks in the heart, looks at the person. Ask lots of questions. If you're in customer service and you're trying to figure out what's the problem with the client, the key to success is to ask pertinent questions. They don't call you sometimes understanding what they may need or what they may have to do to get things rectified. But if you are a good customer service agent, you're going to be able to wrap your hands and arms around them and make sure that they get at least the best explanation of why they have made that phone call or they have come into your store. If people feel valued, if customers feel as though, wow, this person took the extra time to help me, that makes all the difference in the world. That is a client forever. And if you take care of a customer, remember, on the front end, they'll always take care of you on the back end. And it's very important. And remember, just because you are in sales and maybe in just customer service, you may say, oh, it's not a big job, it's not a big deal. Without customer services, no companies work. No business works. Good customer service keeps people coming back. Bad customer service makes people bitter, angry, and frustrated. And our simple goal as a customer service agent is to make people happy. Happy, happy, happy. I don't mean crazy. I mean happy. People's time today is so valuable. If they have donned the time to talk to you, a customer service person, and given you their 15 minutes, make sure that you make them feel as though they're the most important person for that day. And the reason why is they're not expecting it. You're a good customer service agent. You know how to treat people. Just remember, treat people kindly, even if they're mean. If you just stick in there, you talk to them, just be kind. It may not happen right then and there, but they will be appreciative of talking to you, a good customer service agent. And I'm Gary Lee Stanley. We just had a very simple conversation talking about why it's so important to be an awesome customer service agent. Listen, the world doesn't get moved unless somebody moves it. A good customer service agent makes sure they get their customers done perfect the first time. You got this job. You can do anything you put your mind to. That's what my mom always told me. I can do anything, and you can do anything. You're a good customer service agent. Get out there, be respectful. Sometimes you just gotta let those mean people just talk, and then that's all they want to do is just talk their stuff. They want to get it out. Just let them, because people want to vent. They're so frustrated today. Let them vent, and you will be number one in customer service at your company. They will help you to be rewarded when you talk to customers, because love the one you're with. You want to take care of that customer, because a lot of times you got to do surveys. And if you are taking surveys and you've done a good job, they'll give you a good survey. And it's hard to ask somebody to give you a good survey if you've done a bad job. You're not going to do that. You're going to do a great job. This is Gary Lee Stanley when you talk to people, remember, good customer service just makes sense. You got this. Go out there and sell something. Go out there and be the best customer service agent you are, and you're awesome. Go out and have a great day. This is Gary Lee Stanley. And they call me crazy too, but that's okay. I'm special. So are you. Go out there and sell something. Be a great customer service agent and have a nice day. Thank you. Gary Lee Stanley. You got this. Good customer service makes sense. Yes.